Okay, so listen, I was like, it's fall time. Halloween is this Sunday. I have to do some baking. And you know what came to mind? These babies right here. Baking is something that I love to do, especially just since being a kid. I just have really liked it and I've been trying to get better at it. But the thing is that baking doesn't have to be difficult. It can be something as easy as this and it makes my heart go pitter patter because it's just so much fun. It's just something that I like to do in my free time, and I made some really good chocolate banana bread a couple weeks ago. Chef's kiss, it was really good. And I was looking around because I was like, maybe I could do a video on that, and I couldn't find bananas anywhere. So and I didn't want to go to the store because then they'd be too green. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep it simple today. It's gonna be a short and sweet video, and you know, I thought maybe I'd try some fun stuff with these, see if we can make it a little bit more fun. And the challenge is not to burn these, because for some reason I have vivid memories of baking these with my sisters growing up, and they always would burn. And it's like, dude, what the heck? We're gonna try not to do that. Welcome to Molly's Baking Show. Thank you for all being here. I am really grateful. My sister Sarah, who actually ended up going to culinary school, and I would pretend to be like on our own Rachel Ray cooking show. This is like two dreams like combined into one. Like, I have a camera now, I have a YouTube channel, like it's just magic. So let's buckle up, get ready, get your drink of choice. Let's have some fun. I hope the lighting's a little bit better. I have lighting here and here. I'm trying. Let's get to baking. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Let's check out. Preheat the oven to 350. Place cookie dough rounds on ungreased cookie sheet and bake for 12 to 14 minutes. Do not over bake. Please do not judge us for how messy it is in here. Cookie sheet one. Open up our cookies. I'm actually really excited. I bought these in August, so they've been chilling in the freezer. I actually kept forgetting that I had them, so I'm going to, let me do it without crinkling. I'm going to Valley of Scare this weekend with two of my best friends, and the day before Halloween. How iconic is that? And so I was like, well, we might be like watching Halloween movies or something before we go, just to get, if you don't know what Valley of Scare is, Valley Fair is like our Minnesota version of Six Flags basically, and I think they're actually owned by Six Flags. But lots of fun rides, and then Valley Scare, they have like haunted houses and they're actually kind of creepy. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. They're so cute. I remember they have Christmas ones too, so maybe we'll come back and do a Christmas baking with me. I promise if I do continue with the Molly's Baking Show that I will probably do actual recipes, but this is so nostalgic for a lot of us and it's really fun. I don't know how big these get. I can't remember. I'm assuming it will spread out just a little bit, so I'm trying to keep like more than like an inch apart. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get onto the ghosts. But yeah, let me know if you used to bake these when you were a kid, if you still make them now. Oh, the ghosts, they're so cute. I think I saw a girl, she makes earrings that look like these. I was like this close to buying them, so cute. Also, do you ever like eat them raw? You're probably obviously not supposed to because of egg stuff, but you know what? I don't think I'm gonna add chocolate chips because the batter is a lot smaller than I thought, and I don't want like the cookies to be overpowered by the chocolate. So while that's preheating, I got these guys on the cookie sheet. I will check back in with you when we're putting them in the oven. All right, just went off and the cookies into the oven. I threw them in for another 3 minutes. I always under bake stuff just in case. Also got my mom's cow oven mitt. We're gonna throw these other babies in. I have like 4 more, and then that's it. And you know, I have to do a taste test just to see if my work is good. So good. That is the end of Molly's baking show for today. Thank you so much for coming by and liking this video, subscribing, all of it. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for getting me to 500 subscribers. That means the absolute world to me. You have no idea. I've been doing YouTube since I was 12 years old, so the fact that I've made it to this part is really crazy to me, and like, wow, just like wildest dreams are coming true. And I'm so grateful for each and every one of you for watching my videos and just commenting and interacting with me. I really do appreciate it. All of my socials are down below, so if you want to follow me anywhere, definitely do that. You don't have to, but if you want to. And I hope that you get to some baking for yourself this fall, no matter if it's for Halloween or if it's for Thanksgiving or heading into the winter holidays. I hope that you enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, shine bright and stay spooky. Bye!